guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box. If you guys want to see what I got in here and what I might be doing at the very end of this video, then keep on watching. Jeffree Star mystery box did roll out on Wednesday, January 30th. Now, there was a $40 box or a $75 box. I originally wanted to get the $75 box. However, there were problems with this box. So what ended up happening is that I had to work, okay? So we're not allowed to have cell phones at our job. It's just our company policy. We don't like to have, they're not allowed to have cell phones on us, right? So I kept my cell phone in my pocket. I put like a little timer reminder and be like, okay, at 11:55 p.m. I have to go to the bathroom so I can start getting my hands in this box. Well, lo and behold, one of my coworkers decided to just quit in the middle of the shift, so we had to cover, you know, her duties, and I was like, great, like, yay, like I really needed you to do this right now to freaking quit. So at 12:55, my alarm went off. I went to the bathroom, jumped on the website, got the box, was ready to go, got everything ready, and I decided to do, because they had, you could buy through his website, you could use PayPal, or you could use Amazon Pay. I chose Amazon Pay because it has everything I need in there. It literally has all my address, everything, so it's just a really easy process for me. I chose Amazon Pay, got all the way to shipping method, and then for shipping method, it just kept spinning, and spinning, and spinning. Would not load. I was like, okay, I can't stay in here very long, like they need me. So I was like, oh, so I said, fuck. I went right back inside, and every 10 minutes I was like, oh God, my stomach hurts, and I kept going to the bathroom. And I was doing this for about an hour, and I could not get off the shipping screen, and I was like, what is going on, right? So at this point, all my hopes of getting this box was just defeated. I was like, screw it, this box is like, it's gonna be sold out, I'm not gonna have my hands on it. So fast forward to like 2 hours later, I was like, oh, I really do have to use the bathroom now. So I went to the bathroom, and I was like, let me just check, and I checked, and it finally loaded the shipping method. Now, for the shipping method to ship here from California to Florida was $12.95 for 2-day priority mail. And I was like, Jesus, that was the cheapest shipping. And I looked at the $75 box, gone. It was gone out of my cart. So I got the $40 box, and I paid $12.95 for the shipping handling. So roughly I paid around $52.95 for this in total. And I was like, what would happen? I went on Twitter, I looked, and Jeffree's like, oh, you know, you guys all crashed our website, everything backed up, I'm so sorry. So that's what ended up happening. And so I got this, I ordered this on Wednesday, but I didn't even get it until today, and today's now Monday. So for 2 days shipping and handling, priority mail, that's not 2 days, that's Friday or Saturday, the latest. Is what it is. Did not come on time like I thought it was going to, but I'm okay with that. And I'm not gonna lie, I did catch a couple of reviews of things that people got in their boxes, and at first I thought everybody was getting the same exact thing, and then I realized, like, okay, people are starting to get a little bit different. So I purchased my first Jeffree Star products a month ago when I went to the Jaclyn Hill Morphe opening store up in Tampa, which I'll link the video right here, and I purchased the Jeffree Star Hi How Are Ya and the Jeffree Who liquid velour liquid lipsticks, and then I also got his pumpkin spice lip scrub. I wanted to get the Alien palette, but unfortunately they did not have any in stock at the time. They were so focused on the James Charles palette, which I totally get. But those are the stuff I have, and if I do have any repeats in here, then one of you lucky viewers are gonna get your hands on it. So let's go ahead and dive on into this. I love mystery boxes. Like, I know some people have issues with it, and a lot of people are like, oh, you know, some of the stuff in here is crappy. If there's stuff in here that I don't like, that's okay, because it's a mystery box. That's what it's supposed to be for, you know? All right, so for starters, I see that everybody got the pop socket, you know, go figure, pop socket. I think this is my exclusive accessory. All right, cool, no big deal. I see I have 4 lipsticks in here and 1 skin frost. Now, I'm not gonna swatch anything in this box because if there's anything in here that I don't like and I decided to give it away to the viewer, I don't wanna have like my hand mark on there, if that makes any sense. So for the first lipstick, I got the color Clout. And this looks like a purple lipstick. Let's find out. Shake well before use. This for sure is purple. That's purple. That for sure is purple. Clout, this does retail for $18. A color I don't think I'll ever use. The next one in this is the color Scandal, which again looks like another purple color, but on here it's actually like a really pretty pink. The next one that I got is Posh Spice. Is this like ultra nude, almost gray color liquid lipstick. Next color I got is a lip ammunition in the color X Supermodel, which looks to be like a very, very, very light, super pink lipstick. A color that I would not wear. And then the last thing I got was a Skin Frosh in the color King Tut, which I had a feeling, because I saw only this one, or mint condition, that people were getting. So it looks like which is like this really, really like bronzy, let me swatch just a little bit of it. Bronzy highlighter. So overall, I paid $52 and the value of the box was $101. So that's not horrible for the value of it. Now, just the products that I got in here, I do feel like some of the products that he gave in here are products that he had a really hard time selling. This could just be me formulating my own opinion. This is not a fact by any means, so don't come for me or anything like that, but I just feel like these are the products that he had a hard time selling, so he threw in here. And you know what? I mean, it is to be expected. I mean, it's a mystery box, so I don't really know exactly what I was getting, but I had a great time doing it, and I would definitely do it again. And you know what? I paid $40, so I didn't expect to have like everything that I wanted, and that's okay. Like, this is what the whole purpose of it is. It's for. It's fun, it's exciting, and you never know what you're gonna get. How do I feel about this box? I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really care for anything that I got in this box. I point blank didn't care for it. I really don't care for the products that I got inside of it, because they're colors that I'm never gonna use. As much as I love to keep them to have in my collection, like, they're just products that I'm never gonna use. Like Posh Spice, it's like a gray color. Like, I wouldn't know what to do with this. The Clout is like a purple color. They would never look flattering on me personally, and they're just colors that I would never get a use out of. I probably definitely would like the color Scandal, but the rest I'm just not really gonna care about. But what I'll probably end up doing is I'm gonna see what my other friend got in her box, and if we like each other's stuff, we might exchange. If not, I'll probably just end up doing a small little giveaway. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is be subscribed to my channel, leave one comment down below where I can find you, also leave your Instagram handle if you guys have one, so I can know that I can go and check and DM you guys there. Make sure you guys follow me back. You can find me at AllieAnn89, and I'll be holding this giveaway open until next Wednesday, February 13th. This is only open for the United States only at the moment. I currently do not have the funds to send everything international, but one day I will, I promise. And yeah, I just want to give back a small little piece of this to you guys, because this is stuff I'm never going to use. I either might pick 4 winners and send 1 to each person, or one person might just get all of it. I don't know. We'll decide. I'll see how well this does. And yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post 2 videos twice a week, and I just want to thank you guys for all the love, support, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Collection, the box. I got the $40 value box. I'm going to unbox the Jeffree Star. I probably should do it this way. Oh shit, I'm recording.